Okay folks, it's the 22nd of May today, and let's review today's trade. So didn't start off the best, probably not the best choice in the stop in hindsight, but we made it back and some with the next trade, which was further confirmation that we were actually going to move back up today. So we're still very positive on all time frames. So again, we're still looking for buys. This morning we saw a really big gap down. So we are opening a lot lower than the previous day's close, some 100 points lower. So there was definitely an opportunity to buy. We wanted to buy down towards 5,900 today for at least 20 points with a 20-point stop. That was our chosen trade. Closing gap wasn't really on the radar today, although it has just closed, but let's have a look at the price action. All right, so this was the opening. Let me just move this over for you. So this is a 1 minute chart, and we were basically wanting a move down towards 5,900 in the first 5 minutes. So this is 1 minute, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got down to around 59.05, pretty much there really, but not quite. So we then waited for a reversal signal. So I expected this to move up higher today, kind of at least up to 59.60 to fill the extreme gap. So we waited. This was an engulfing 1 minute bar, and I just basically waited for that to break at 17. There. Unfortunately, it clipped us in, and then we had our stop 20 points lower here. So we were out here. Have to have a stop, unfortunately. Then it basically just went down to S3 here. Now, if it got through here, it could have been a really big trending day to the downside. But it started to just consolidate here, and really then, from just experience, I thought, look, this is going to go back up again, but let's wait for further confirmation. So although we'd lost on this trade, I don't always do it, but I said, look, let's get in on another trade, which was the 1 hour Bolly. So let me show you what the 1 hour Bolly is. The caveat here was that we needed the 1 hour bar to close back above 5,900. So we can see this is the opening first hour of trade. So this is the first 1 hour, and we can see that it's above 5,900. It's actually also closed above 5,900. Close was 5,902, but the high of it was 5,928. So let's just put a line across here. So that's your bar here. So basically all you're doing is waiting for a break above this here by 2 points, and you want to be going for 1 to 1. So again, whatever you're risking, you want to be targeting that. So it's the bar was the high was 59.28. We're going to be getting in at 59.30. And the low of the bar was 5,888, so your stop would be 5,886. So 44 points. So 44 points added on to 30. You want to really be getting out at 74. So at 74 here. But yesterday's high was actually at 60, around 60, 65 it was. So actually we actually got out, our pro traders and us got out around 60 today. So not quite 1 to 1 today, but it was prudent to take profits there. So that's how we traded today. We lost, unfortunately, on the first trade, probably the wrong stop choice in hindsight. But I did expect a bit of a bounce of 5,900, but it actually did go down to S3 and then recover. But we got back in again with further confirmation, which is fine, on the 1 hour, and since then it's really been plain sailing to the upside. So that was a review of the live trading room today using the 1 hour bar and break back above 5,900 to recover our loss.